Ealie is a Jamaican fairy of winning and celebration. Ealie is a Jamaican fairy of winning and celebration. Oh yes, this fairy has the magical power to help a person to win. He turned doubters of themselves into winners. He graces humans with a power swift, fast, and sturdiness. He graces Jamaican farmers with strength and agility to do more work and helps them produce healthy and saleable crops. Anyone who is lucky enough to chance upon this winning and celebration fairy will surely be a winner. If he decides that they are in need of help to be graced by his magical power,